Lexi and I are making some potato salad. We're going to use red potatoes that was left over from our chicken because we're going to have a barbecue tomorrow. So we're going to cook our potatoes whole and then just chop them up when they cool off and they're, you know, all cooked. Now you can cut these up, but we're just going to do these whole. So here we got just our potatoes. And of course you see that where we cut, look at here, where we cut all the ickies, you know, we cut icky pieces out of them because we don't peel our red potatoes. These are wonderful. We're going to do a little dill potato salad with these. In fact, I'm going to take these ones and cut these in two so that they all fit down in here real nice. And it's that easy. So we're going to put those on the stove. I'll give that to you. Put the lid on. And then we are also going to put hard-boiled eggs in there because we all love eggs in our potato salad. And of course for this potato salad we're probably only going to use 4 eggs, but I like to have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge because my husband eats the heck out of them. So I'm going to make a whole bunch. And I'm using these huge jumbo eggs that I bought from Meijer on sale. I usually have farm fresh eggs, but I do not like peeling farm fresh eggs. So, anyway, see, we got a bunch of eggs in there. We're going to fill that up. Till they're covered. Going to put a lid on that. We're going to put these on. These I'm going to bring to a boil. Come over here. These I'm going to bring to a boil on high. The potatoes, once they start boiling, they're probably going to take about 15 minutes to get, you know, the texture that we want. The eggs, when they start boiling, we're going to just let them boil for about 5 minutes and shut them off and leave them set for another 10. And then they'll be done perfect on the inside. So, when this is all done and these are all cooled, we'll be back and show you our next step. Hey friends, my potatoes are done and they're just so the way I like them. So I'm going to put them in that colander. I'm going to put this in my bucket over here. My bucket of water is on my counter. Those are going to stay right there and cool. I'm not going to rinse them. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to let them cool completely. Now my eggs, let me get you in here. My eggs have sat on the back of the stove for about 10 minutes. And those, I am just going to drain them over here. I'm going to run those in cold water. And that's exactly how those are going to stay. I'm going to just keep that water running on them. Keep that water running on them for a little bit. Let them get nice and cool. And then when everything in here is cool, I'll be back and I'll show you what all I add to it in my next step. But while this is all cooling, I'm going to get busy and cut up my celery and my onions and get my spices all gathered up. So, when that's all done and everything's cooled off, I'll be back. Okay friends, we're back and everything is cooled off. And we are going to cut up our potatoes and get going with our potato salad. So when we cut these up, see how nice they do? They're not mushy and too soft, but yet they're a good texture. And I never take the skins off. My family loves the red potatoes, even right with the skins on them. They're good. Just chop them in small pieces like so. And that's all you got to do with that. So while we get these finished cutting up, and our phone's ringing, so we'll be right back. Okay, we are back and see all our potatoes are cut up. So now we are going to just add our celery and our onion. And we like lots.
Yes, we do.
Okay. And we've got our 5 eggs. We're going to throw those in there. Of course, we're going to do that number. There, the spoon is yours. I'm going to... This is dillweed that I grew myself. Out of our herb garden. So we're gonna, oh, smell that?
That smells good.
That stuff smells wonderful. Okay, I think that should be good for right about now. We're gonna throw a little bit of parsley in there because I always gotta have a little of that in your potato salad. Okay. Also, we're gonna take our house blend. Yeah, that should be good right there. That's got a little pepper, garlic, and salt. So you can start mixing that up. See how that, oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Good. All right, now I'm gonna reach around you right here and grab my, now I can't tell you exactly how much mayo you're gonna put in it, but you know, just start out slow because you don't want too much, and it's easier to add to it than take away. So I'm going to start out with just about, we'll say a good cup and a half maybe a cup, somewhere in there. And I always put, you can use mustard powder, but I just squirt mustard in there. That's it. Just a good squirt, and that's good. Yep, I think we're going to need a little more mayo, aren't we?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Might polish off the rest of this jar for me. Okay, try that. Let's put it on the counter. Is that looking good?
Oh yes, it's looking delicious.
You can smell the dill. Ooh, that's going to be good stuff. I think, do we need more? Well, we'll find out when we taste it if we need more dill. That looks pretty good. I think we need more mayo in there, don't we?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to polish off this. That was probably about a good, I can't tell you, a good, maybe 2 cups or better, wouldn't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Now that's good. And we'll get a little fork out so you can taste test. We need more seasonings in there.
Can I taste?
Yep, you'll be able to.
All right. My sauce was almost done, so it's on the carpet. But we need more than.
Okay.
Down the park, and if I drive back kicking and screaming, that means they did that.
Try that.
That's delicious.
Is it? I got to taste it. And Nene's got to taste it. Does it need anything more in it? Oh, she wants a little piece of tater. Try that. How's it taste? Oh, yummy! Gotta get another fork. We're not reusing the fork, friends. We're changing them. That's good, but it does need more spice. Needs a little more of everything in there. We'll do another teaspoon. And we'll do some more. And I'm going to just do a little extra black pepper. Because that's always good. I love pepper and stuff. Okay, now mix that in. We got enough mayonnaise in there. Oh boy, you can smell that now. That smells pretty good. I think that's pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Let me rinse our forks off. We'll try this again. Okay, there you go. Oh, that's it.
Yep.
That is really good. Okay, and this is what we do, friends. We're gonna scoop a little of this in our dish and show you just how pretty this is. Show that. Hold that up there. And there you have it, friends. That is beautiful. And what perfect side dish for a little picnic. Well, we're going to eat it today. And we're going to have it also tomorrow for our barbecue. Makes a wonderful dish. And you can also put some frozen peas in there because dill and peas pair together very well in salad. So, there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.